to my chin.
One last time in the Fleetwood Taos 2004. I gotta go fix one of the cushions. I messed it up the last time I closed it. But it's gonna be for sale. It's actually already up for sale. I had 24 people that were interested in coming to look at it. I even had offers before people came to look at it just based on the pictures. It's been an awesome camper. But this is probably going to be the last video for the Fleetwood Taos. We're getting a brand new camper. It's a 2026. It's kind of nice. Not nice having debt because this didn't cost me anything after I bought it. So, but I love camping. My wife and I love camping. We wanted something different. So this is it for the Fleetwood Taos. I'm definitely going to have more camping videos coming up. I'll probably do some videos for the brand new camper. It's a new model for 2026. So it's based off another one that they've already had out for about a year now. So, but trying to get this cleaned up. I got people coming to look at it tomorrow. Thanks for watching my videos with the Fleetwood Taos. This has been an awesome camper. It's going to be sad to see it go, but I can't afford to have two campers here. So, thanks for watching my videos on the Taos. Like I said, more camping videos and other videos on the way. Bye for now.